Morning students. Yesterday we saw we started chapter area related to circle, you remember, and we completed exercise 12.1, which is a formal exercise. As far as the exam is concerned, it was not important. The new thing and concepts are starting from right here. We will start here about the circle. We'll study something. First, let me make the circle. And yesterday we saw two things: area of circle and circumference of circle. You know it which. Let me speak something. When we put a center and we make two radius, definitely they have the same length. They are same length. When two radius are drawn, the circle divides in two parts. This region and this region. These called a sector. These called a sector. And let me speak, it is called the small one, so that it is called a minor sector. It is called a minor sector. And there's a big one, it is called a major sector. Major sector. Think, please remember, this is a minor sector, it is a major sector. It's a minor arc, it is a major arc. You know it very well, that one. And furthermore, again I want to make a circle. It's a center. When a chord is drawn, it is a chord. When a chord is drawn, we have two parts again of a circle. Now these parts called segment. This is a minor segment and it's a major segment. So these two things, remember please, that what you are finding, it's a minor sector, major sector. It is a minor arc, it's a major arc. And it's a minor segment, it's a major segment. Now we will find all actually. Let me speak something about here, that when we draw a circle, when we put two radius, definitely it makes some angle, centered angle. Suppose it is theta in degree. In degree it is theta. So we have this section which is called minor sector, because we are finding the area of minor sector. Try to understand. First of all, I am telling you area of the sector. So we have a thing, minor sector. We have a sector. You can say not minor sector, only sector is enough, because theta is given. Try to understand, when this theta is given, and according to theta, if we are using this theta, meaning we are finding this sector, not complete one. So according to theta's angle of this particular sector, it may be major, it may be minor, no matter at all, but theta is given of the sector. So area of that corresponding sector will be, this is given by pi r squared into theta upon 360. You remember the formula? It is a sector, area of sector. It is only the sector corresponding to that theta which is given. So if this theta is given, definitely after putting the theta you will have this area. But this time theta is this given, definitely you will have a area of this shaded region, you can see here. So no matter it's a minor or major, it is only sector is good enough word. Okay. So area of sector. Now we'll find here length of arc of sector. Try to understand. This is again the word length of arc. Right now you saw this particular region was called area of sector. Now I am talking about this length. Can you see? I am just making it bold. This length. This is called length of arc of the sector, particular sector where theta is given. So this is given by 2 pi r into theta upon 360. So very near. About the length, we use a circumference portion 2 pi r. About the area, we use a pi r square. It's a part of the that area formula. So pi r square theta upon 360, area of sector, this section, and length of this particular corresponding arc of the sector is given by 2 pi r theta by 360. So keep remember these two laws. These are just for finding the length of corresponding arc and the area of sector. Okay, if you supposed to find after that what is the area of the major sector, so what you will do? That's simple. You already have found this area, so you subtract this from the area of circle. So area of circle is pi l square. So find pi l square minus this area of a small one. You can get an area of the big one. That's the first thing. Or what you can do, suppose it is 60, theta is equal to 60. Suppose it is 60 and you want to find the major one. So write, suppose it is 60. Suppose it is 60. So find this one. So you rub only, it is 60 and whole is 360. So this is gonna be 300 degree. And radius is same as it is. Now again use the formula pi r square theta upon 360. Put theta equal to 300. You will have this area. I taught you whatever theta you will put, corresponding area you can find out. So please keep remember this also. So students, these were the two formulas. Now let me speak one of the most important formula here. Now I tell you one thing. Suppose it is a circle and definitely we have a radius. We have a radius, this and this radius. One can also understand it is not, but it is a sector, you already have seen it. Suppose I join these two. And you will focus on that now. You will have this particular white portion is none else but it is segment, and it is a minor segment. When this theta is suppose it is given. So you want to find this particular field area. Individually I am telling you that you are finding this one. So it is called the minor segment. I am telling you, but directly we can find it. Actually it is having a long method. First of all we find the area of whole sector, then we find the area of the triangle, then we subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector, we can get area of segment. But by doing all the things, we put a formula, and this formula is very important. Area of the corresponding segment. Try to understand that is segment. The formula is r square upon 2 theta pi upon 360, 180 minus sin theta. This is the formula. Keep remember, this is very simple formula. One can remember it long. R square by 2 in bracket theta pi theta is good looking. Pi theta pi, whatever you can write, pi theta upon 180 minus sin theta, where you know all the values. Pi meaning 22 by 7, theta meaning this particular angle, radius meaning the radius of the circle, sin theta, again theta is a angle, centered angle. So you know, please keep remember this board is very important. This was only the sector and the length of arc, and this is only the segment. So corresponding theta gives you this particular segment. If theta this will be given, definitely that time we'll find the other things, meaning other major sector. So please don't worry about that. This is an important formula, ever we have seen it. Now we will do some question. Now let me rub this out all, and we put some question. Area of sector and area of segment and length of arc. We saw 3 formulas today. Okay, let me tell you one question of the book. Example number 2. What is the question? Find the area of sector of the circle with radius 4. Suppose I am making for just condition. Suppose it is OA, the radius is 4 and the centered angle is 30 degree. Find the area of the corresponding major sector also. Okay. So we are told here to find the corresponding sector, meaning this one. We will find out. And this is a major sector, we will find out it later. So first of all, given the radius is r equal to 4 centimeter, theta equal to 30 degree. So area of the corresponding sector, which is looking a minor sector, we can write minor sector here. And formula I taught you, pi r square theta upon 360. Pi r square theta upon 360. Put up all the values, guys. Pi is equal to, we are given 3.14 in the book, so we will use it. Radius is equal to 4 square. Theta is equal to 30 upon 360. We will solve by our own. This is 16. This is by cancelling, it is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So the answer I would give that 3.14 into cancel by 4 is 16, 4 3s are 12, and I'll just cancel approximately 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 6 are 18. This is approximate answer, student. We have got 4.184 square centimeter. It is approximate area of the sector. Now we are told to find the good thing it is coming. Now we are told to find the corresponding major sector. So this is also easy. One can use the same formula. Just put theta equal to, that time it is 30. So what is this angle? This will be 330. 330. So you can put here 330 and get answer. Except the area of corresponding major sector. I tell you how we can find out. This is the area of whole circle minus area of a minor sector. It is only understanding thing. Try to understand. We want to find this the remaining area. So whole area of circle minus area of this small region sector is equal to the area of the major sector. So what is the area of circle? You know it, pi r square. And the area of minor sector already found 4.184. So don't do the hard work for that. And go on. This is 3.14. Pi value is given. R square meaning 4 square 16 minus 4.184. Now one can do it easily. It's a simple calculation. This is gonna be after multiplying 50.24 minus 4.184 and do subtract here. You will have almost our nearest answer, not sure, but 46.056 square centimeter is the area of the major sector has come. So student, this is a simple way to do so. I don't think it's a trouble. You should only remember the formula. You can do it. Okay. Example 2 have done from my side. Area of sector we saw. Area of a major sector we also have seen. And now we look for the third example. So what third example says? Look at. Find the area of the segment AYB in the figure. And the figure is given like that. Like here. This is A. Y, it is a B, and this is just like that O, it's a 21 and it's a 120, and we want to find this region. So just try to understand about the situation. The situation is very easy. You know that you have to find the area of segment. Recently I made you write here the formula, area of segment. If you will go on the particular method, that what is the actual method is. So the actual method is area of sector first you will find, then area of triangle you will find, then you will subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector. It's gonna be very long method. But you know, instead of that, if you'll admit me, you use a formula, and the formula is very easy. Let me explain something. You have just to find the area of segment you are told, A by B. And this is the theta given, r given, so I don't think it's a trouble. Look at, I tell you, it's a theta is equal to 120 degrees given, r equal to 21 centimeters given. So I would write directly that area of segment, corresponding segment, which I made to write the formula. You remember this is a pi theta or theta pi you can write, no matter at all. Theta pi upon 360, sorry, 180 was there. 180 minus it is a sine theta. It's a formula. It's a formula. Remember that it's a formula. One thing which it may be trouble to you, value of sine 120. This time it is coming. May be trouble to you, but still, even the formula we are using, will write all the things. Let me explain how we can do it. R square meaning 21 square. Theta meaning 120. Pi meaning 3.14, it is given, by 22 by 7 is given. Upon 180 is 180. Minus sine theta meaning sine 120. Actually, sine 120 degree is not the concept of the class 10th. Still it has come. So for this particular question, remember the value of sine 120. Remember the value of sine 120, and the value of sine it is root 3 by 2. Keep remember the value of sine 120. Even the concept is not in this class, Still, if question has come, please, but for particular question, you remember the value of sine 120. This is root 3 by 2 and put up here. Like 21 square is a 441 upon 2. After cancelling, it is 2 by 3. It is 22 by 7. Minus sine 120, I taught you it's a root 3 by 2. So answer is given in almost same format. The answer area is 441 upon 2. And 22 into 2 is 88. Sorry, 44. Upon 21. Minus root 3 by 2. So if you check the answer, it's a 21 by 4 and 88 minus 21 root 3. It's all, they have done the work. Just let me check it again. Area of segment 21 by 4. Okay, lots of work it has been done from that side only. Our answer is also okay. What they have done, they have written this is 21 upon 2 into 21, 44, 21, root 3 by 2. And after the 21, they multiply to 21 inside the bracket. 21, 21 cancel. Minus this gonna be 21 root 3 upon 2. They have taken the LCM here. These two will be 88 minus 21 root 3 upon 2. And 2 into 2 is a 4, 21 by 4 into 88 minus 21 root 3. It is the answer of the book. So if you admit me, don't do this silly work. I think you can drop your answer right here. This is also acceptable. Now, what I want to tell you, I want to pull your attention towards the solution of the book. At the page number 229 you can see. And see the solution here which I made here. You will definitely compare that this is one of the easiest method only. After fourth step you got the answer, but this is just having a 20 steps I think. So please please follow this method. It's very easy concept. For this particular question, you didn't know the value of sine 120 degree. It's out of your and beyond of your class 10 syllabus. I should only keep remember for the particular question. Okay, so this is the question. Third one I have done. Now it's the next is exercise has come. So till here you have come to know we have learned two things: area of sector, length of the segment, and definitely length of arc and area of segment. So three things we have seen it here. Now please do and try questions of the exercise 12.2. We will see them tomorrow. Thank you.